Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Aquarius placements. Okay, so, love reading ngayong October. Okay, doon tayo sa singles. Okay, and syempre, sa person on your mind. So, bali dalawa. Okay, so new person yung isa. And then, yung isa is yung kung sino man yung iniisip mo. Like current or ka-separate. Okay? Okay. So, yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo bigyan updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo magme-message. Okay? So, yeah. If you're interested rin sa ating mga protection from evil eye. Okay? So, and ang ating love bracelet and si Granter. Yan. Okay, message na lang po kayo, ha? And syempre, yung ating new item para sa cleansing, sa pag-cleanse. Okay? Ng kwarto mo, ng bahay mo, ng opisina mo, ng business mo. Yan. Okay? So, message na lang po. Okay. So, let's start with a new person. Okay? Yung ginugusto mo ngayon, tingnan natin. Ha? Okay, so new person, this is for singles. Okay, this is for singles. Okay. So, Aqua. So, how do you view this new person? How do you see this new person? Okay, the Five of Pentacles in reverse. Some of them, you view this person as someone na merong, sabihin nating freedom pagdating sa kanilang kaperahan, okay? Hindi sila hirap. Like, I think, ang tingin mo sa taong to, they're not a bum. Okay? Okay, so I think may pera. Tingin mo may pera. Okay? So, hindi naman para sa lahat. Okay, so what's with this Five of Pentacles in reverse, Temperance in reverse? Oh! Yung iba sa kanila, ha, may chance ng, sabihin nating, yeah, the Ten of Cups is here in reverse. Something na pwedeng andun yung energy na, ito is specific, yung energy is like, every time na hindi okay, itong taong to, you see them as someone na laging bili. Okay? Parang ganon. That's so specific. Yeah, the Emperor. Okay, so may pera. Some of them. Okay? Some of them may business. Okay? Yung parang hindi, tawag dyan, hindi problema sa kanila. Yung pera, maybe ganun yung tingin mo sa kanya. Okay? Galit ata sa pera to eh. Aqua, ha? Okay. So, pwedeng earth sign with Sagittarius. Yeah, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. So, how do this person views you? So, ano naman ang tingin nila pagdating sa'yo? Anong tingin nitong taong to? Okay. Pagdating sa'yo, Aqua. The Eight of Cups. Why? What's with that? Eight of Cups. Okay. The Two of Pentacles. Some of you, ang tingin nito sa'yo is you're kind like acting aloof or madistansya. Okay? Yun ang tingin nila sa'yo. Yeah. Yeah. The King of Swords. This is you. Page of Cups. Andoon yung sabihin nating some of you, you're too silent. Or sabihin nating hindi ka ganoon na ang tawag dyan, madalas nakikipag-uusap. Okay? Nandun nga yung lagi mong pagdistansya. Okay? They find you as someone who is so inconsistent. Okay? Silent. Distant. Avoidant. Parang ganyan. Cold. Okay? So, yun ang tingin nila sa'yo. Pero, ang nakukuha ko, kahit ganyan ka raw, nakakakuha ka ng maraming attention from other people. Okay? So, isa na rin siya doon. So, I think, tingin nito sa'yo, sabihin natin, yeah, may gusto sa'yo. May crush sa'yo. Nakita natin si Page of Cups. Okay? Okay. So, let's see. What is their true emotions? Okay. Deep, deep down. Okay. True emotions nitong taong to. Nitong new person. Okay. See? Gusto ka nito. May crush sa'yo. Gusto ka. May emosyon. Ito yung energy ng crush. Si Page of Cups. Okay? Sinabi ko to kanina. Emosyon niya, Page of Cups. So, yeah. Andun yung sabihin natin nakukuha mo yung attention. Nandyan yung yeah, in general, may crush sa'yo. Gusto ka ng taong to. Okay? The Page of Cups. Yeah. Why? What's with that Page of Cups? Ano pang meron dyan? I don't know kung pinapakitaan ka ng clarity or something like nag-express ba sa'yo tong taong to? I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. The Six of Pentacles in reverse. I think gusto ka. Nako, ito na naman tayo, Aqua. Mind games. Oo. This is sabihin nating silent. Oo, too silent. Too much silence. Ang nakikita ko rito. Mind games. Head games. Waiting game. Okay? Para kayo nagkakapaan ng emosyon nitong taong to. Okay? Yeah. Bakit Six of Pentacles in reversed? Why? Why is that? Six of Pentacles in reversed. Some of them, may chance na may mga ibinibigay sa'yo tong taong to. Okay? Pero hindi papahalatang may something. Okay? It's like pwedeng may mga binibigyan siya and yeah, kasama ka doon sa mga binibigyan niya. Something like that. Okay? Hindi siya parang masyadong obvious. Okay? Yeah, the Two of Wands in reverse. May mga actions to na ipinapakita. See? You're the star. Okay? I think kung meron tong mga, eto yun this is specific. Kung meron itong mga parang binibigyan, ganyan, maybe kung ito ay kasamahan mo sa opisina, kung ano man, saan man, may mga binibigyan, kasama ka na doon. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, ang intention talaga nito is ikaw lang ang bigyan. Yung mga kasamahan mo, hindi dapat niya bibigyan eh. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Dinadamay lang niya yung iba para hindi mo mahalatang ikaw yung gusto or gusto ka. Okay? It's like low-key, pasimple lang. Mababae, palalaki ka naman ng gender. Okay? Sabi ko nga sa inyo, itong taong to, may pera. May pera. So, this is so specific if yung taong ito na iniisip mo, sa tingin mo walang pera, ganto, ganyan, tambay lang kung saan man, okay? Walang ginagawa sa buhay, then this is not your reading. Okay? This is someone who has. Yeah. Okay? Let's see. What is their next action towards you, Aqua? This new person. What is their next action? The Seven of Wands in reverse. Be open. Pagdating sa'yo. Yeah, why? Why is that? Seven of Wands in reverse. The Star. Yeah. Okay? Maging open sa'yo. This is like low-key. low-key. May mga hints, may mga actions na gagawin ito pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Sabi ko nga, kung sa tingin mo, ang dami niyong binibigyan, yung ibang nabigyan, yung ibang ginawa niya ng something, sabihin nating extra lang yun. Yeah, extra lang. Okay? Let's see. Anong advice for you, Aqua? Advice for Aquarius. So, nagpapakita ito ng affection. Okay? Unti-unti, maybe, they will lower down their guard for you. Din ikaw na. O, diba? Yeah. Ano ang advice for you, Aqua? The moon in reversed. Okay, and the emperor in reversed. Okay, so ikaw din. You have to lower down your guard. Okay? Yeah. The moon in reverse, ito yung ipapaalam mo sa kanya. Okay? Yung something na sabihin nating wala kang border, or boundaries from this person. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Wands in reversed. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Some of you, hindi mo rin kailangan mo nang ipakita yung emotion mo. Okay? So, yeah, you have emotion for this person. Hindi naman natin ito makukuha. Okay? Ang tanong nga natin sino ba itong taong nagugustuhan mo ngayon? Okay? You want this person, you like this person, so lower down your guard. Okay? Lower down your guard. Some of you, you're guarded. So, siya, may chance na baba rin ng kanyang guard for you. Okay? So, what's this? The Emperor in reversed. The Chariot. The Nine of Pentacles. The Nine of Cups. So, energy ito ng someone who is sabihin nating this is a channeled message, okay? A channeled message. Wag mo daw ipapakita sa taong to na ang tawag dyan, ikaw yung taong tanggap lang ng tanggap. Okay? Ipakita mo din na meron kang kayang ibigay. Okay? That's channeled. Wala yun sa cards. Okay? So, I don't know why. I don't know kung anong meron dun. Yeah. Kung kaya niya magbigay ka rin. Like that. Okay? Yeah. Andito yung magkakaintindihan kayo ng taong to kapag nangyari is magiging equal yung action niya sa action mo. Ganun ang nakukuha ko rito. Okay? So, yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Aquarius placements. Okay, so let's proceed doon sa person on your mind. Okay. Okay, who is the person on your mind, Aqua? The person on Aquarius mind. One more. Shuffle. Okay. So, Aquarius. The person on your mind. Sino ba yan? Anong meron? Anong meron sa inyo? Anong meron dyan sa taong yan? Okay? The Three of Wands in reverse. Okay. Someone na tinalikuran mo or tinalikuran ka. Why is that? What's with this Three of Wands in reverse? Tumalikod sa commitments. Okay? May energy rito. Some of you, this is specific. Mayroon tumakbo sa kasal. May mga ganyan. In general, tumalikod sa commitment itong taong to. Okay? They doesn't want any kind of drama or maybe hindi nila kayang humarap sa mga responsibilidad. Okay? So, there. Some of you, meron kayong family na sarili nitong taong to. Okay? Iba sa inyo, masyado ng mahaba yung pinagsamahan nyo ng taong to, pero bigla kang tinalikuran. Okay? So, I think nag-expect kayo na sila na sana. Ganyan. Pwedeng fire, pwedeng earth sign. Aries, Leo, Sag, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so anong meron sa situation ninyo ngayon? Aqua. Okay, the Ace of Pentacles. So, some of you, busy ka na or something like focus ka na sa career mo, sa kaperahan mo, yeah, in general, finance. Okay, what's with this Ace of Pentacles? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Okay, yeah, the Five of Swords. Okay, the Ace of Wands. Is there someone na may nabalik? Para may bumabalik dito, mga Aqua. Situation. Itong taong umiwan sa'yo, may chance na bumabalik ngayon. Okay? So, some of you, hindi mo tinatanggap yung pagbalik nitong taong to. Okay? May doubt ka. We have here a lot of threes. Okay? So, may chance na iba sa inyo is nagkaroon ng third party. Okay? So, ngayon, you're in doubt. You're in doubt pagdating sa new beginning or sa another chance with this person. Okay? Now, they're returning. Now, they're coming back. You're in doubt. You don't trust this person. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Anong emosyon ito for you? Okay, let's see. What is there? Emotion for you, Aqua. True emotion, true feelings for you. Okay, the Hanged Man in reversed. And the Five of Swords. So, nakikipagayos to. Okay, nakikipagayos siya. Yeah, may third party na naging involved. The Queen of Wands in reverse. This is Kabechiwa, no? Oo, energy ng third party, yung si Queen of Wands in reverse, eh. Okay, so someone now is thinking, overthinking, or maybe inaaral, no? May nag-aaral dito ng kung anong kailangan gawin. Dahil, yun nga, pwedeng nakikipag-ayos ng taong to. Okay, may patutunguhan ba? Something like that. Okay, emosyon nila, they want na makipag-ayos. Okay, yun lang ang nakukuha ko rito. Kung kailangan ng taong tong mamili, papiliin nyo muna bago nyo pabalikin if ever. Okay? Dapat clear yan. Yeah, they want to fix things. They want to clear things. Okay? So, yeah. Next action please ng taong to. Pagdating sa'yo, Aqua. Okay, the Four of Cups in reversed. That is waiting. Waiting. Why the Four of Cups? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. This person will wait. Okay, so maybe maghihintay itong taong to na maging open ka ulit emotionally, or maging open ka ulit sa pagtanggap, no, ng offer nito na magkaroon ng new beginning with you. Okay, so yeah, the Knight of Swords, yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so may chance na talagang gagawa ito ng action. Okay, yeah, gusto talagang ito makipag-ayos. He doesn't know kung anong gagawin eh sa situation nyo ngayon, or sa situation niya ngayon. Okay? Some of you expect nyo na itong taong to is magiging inconsistent. Okay? Yeah, magiging inconsistent to. Hindi to magiging like araw-araw nandyan, susuyuin ka. Mapababae, mapalalaki. Kung ano man ang gender. Okay, this person will just wait na maging open ka emotionally for them. Okay? Yeah, you have this trust issue. Yeah, you have doubts pagdating sa kanya. So, anong advice for you, Aqua? What's the advice? Okay, the Six of Swords. So, this is planning. Okay? Thinking. Having rules. If ever, what's with this 6 of Swords? Yeah, the 7 of Swords in reverse. The 9 of Wands, the Tower. So, kailangan nating iwasan, no? Yung sabihin nating mas malalang mangyayari. So, kailangan mong gawin is kailangan mong ipaalam sa kanya na sabihin nating nasaktan ka noon and ganto, ganyan. Some of you nakikita ko talaga you're focusing on something new or something pagdating sa finances, okay? So, advice, ipakita mo, ipaalam mo sa taong to na you're too busy, okay? Marami kang ginagawa, may mga plano ka na sa'yo, okay? Maging transparent ka, okay? Sa mga, this is talking about the swords. So, si swords is pag-uusap, pagsasalita, okay? So, para maiwasan natin, because nandito yun, okay? Some of you hindi pa rin totally healed, okay? So, kailangan nating sabihin, ipaalam sa kanya, ipaliwanag sa kanya kung anong meron sa'yo ngayon. So, kung gusto niya na makipag-ayos, sumunod siya sa kung anong rules ang gagawin mo. Okay? Set up healthy boundaries from this person. Okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko rito. You don't need na maging open agad-agad sa taong to. Okay? Lalo na kung sa tingin mo talaga na ikaw ay ginawa ng hindi maganda nitong taong to, tinalikuran ka. Okay, some of you may anak kayo nito. Yeah, see, the 9 of Swords. Yeah, meron ka pa ring takot dito, sa totoo lang. Okay, or sabihin nating isipin, ayaw nating may stress. Okay, still, some of you, nakakaranas ka pa rin ng trauma na ginawa ng taong to. Dumanas ka ng hirap, ng sakit before. Okay, pero naging okay ka dahil mas nag-focus ka sa mga bagay na mas importante. Sa totoo lang, yun ang nakukuha ko sa iba sa inyo. So, let them know na kung makikipag-ayos siya, gawin niya kung anong dapat. Okay? Ipakita mo rin sa taong to na marami ka nang nagawang iba, marami ka nang nagawang bago sa buhay mo. Hindi na ikaw yung dating ikaw. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, just be transparent. Some of you can provide na for yourself, for your kids, for your child, for your children. Okay? Yeah. So, kung gusto niya makipag-ayos, then gawin niya ng ayos. Kung ano man yung mga nasira niya before. Okay? So, there. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Aquarius placements. Okay, again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!